Yeah, good day guys, and welcome to your Android tips and tricks today. Good news to Android and iOS users. Do you know that you can download almost every video on YouTube without using an application or paying for it? Yes, this is how it is done. It is as easy and fast as ABC. You can as well carry out this activity on either your Android phone or on your Apple phone or on your laptop, depending on whichever you are using. It is user friendly.
Wow.
This is how it is done. Once you have inserted your www.youtube.com on your address bar and you have searched, after you've searched for the required video or the intended video that you wish to download and the video starts playing, you're enjoying the video, you can as well go back to the address bar when watching the video, and at the front of the Y on the YouTube written there, type SS. I repeat, just a double S, SS. It is showing on your screen here. You can see what I'm doing there and you can do same. With that, you can easily click on Go, which is search, after entering your SS at the front of the Y, and it definitely brings up a download page for you. Once the download page comes up, it gives you a choice of variety for you to choose. It's either you want to download it in an MP3 format, or you wish to download it in an MP4 format, or other formats available in the download section. And once you click on the format that you intend to download with, it starts downloading immediately. Wow, what an easy task that you have. And once it is downloaded into your computer, you can easily play it at any time you intend to, and when you are done with it, you can delete and download as many as you wish. So exciting. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also to follow us on our Facebook page on Mr. Omar. Don't forget to share this video with friends so they also can know that these tricks is as easy as possible. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you on our next tricks and tips on Android. Thank you.